Hi, I'm Josh Willis with Resist. I'm joined today with Matthew from ABRA.
Good morning, everyone.
And today we're going to show you how to change that decompression valve. Not something you're going to do all the time, but when you do need to do it, this is going to be the video that you're going to get. So let's get after it. You're going to first start by removing the two blue hoses on the top and the bottom. Try to remember where those hoses are going. After you remove those blue hoses, your next step is going to be to loosen the hose clamp. Get a flathead screwdriver, remove that clamp, loosen it, pull it off. Once you slide that back, you're going to remove the black blasting hose. You'll notice the reason we're replacing this is it has been worn through. Once that's removed, you want to remove that valve counterclockwise. You're going to loosen it until it's completely removed. To reinstall the new valve, make sure that there's thread sealant or Teflon tape. Put it back in the fitting. Get it hand tight, and then you'll finish the rest with a pipe wrench. Reattach the blue hoses. Make sure they're nice and snug. Then reattach the black hose onto the barb fitting. Slide the hose clamp over and get that nice and snug. And then you're finished. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Hopefully the machine's up and running. If for whatever reason it hasn't solved your problem, please reach out to me or Matthew or any of our tech support people. And we're happy to walk you through it and get this thing resolved and get your machine up and running. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.